everyone, I'm Danielle Stern, nutritionist, holistic health coach, and co-founder of Food Mood Gratitude. F&G is a health and wellness company that incorporates nutrition counseling and yoga, which is headed up by my partner Andrea Hunt. We also do really fun virtual health and wellness events like this. I'm really excited that I get to reconnect with the VH community, as I actually used to be a member here before I moved to Los Angeles. And I know everyone can use some support right now during these uncertain times. So I'm here to talk to you today about the importance of strengthening our immune systems. One of the best ways to strengthen our immune systems is through physical activity, which you guys all do at VarsityHouse, and the other is through diet. Food is really the best medicine. Incorporating immune-boosting foods can make such a difference in fighting off that nasty cold, or in this case, nasty virus. Rather than just going down a list of these foods, I figured I'll show you. So today, we're gonna make two of my favorite immune-boosting smoothies from my new ebook. Smoothies are one of the best ways to pack in a ton of nutrients. Get in your kitchen, grab your blender or NutriBullet, and let's get started. My formula for building smoothies should always stay the same. It always includes fiber, protein, greens, and healthy fat. These four together are amazing for balancing blood sugar and keeping you feeling satiated. Fiber is what feeds the billions of bacteria in our gut, and it also revs our metabolism. Protein helps build muscle and repair tissue. Greens provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, helps fight inflammation, all the things necessary for keeping your immune system healthy. And fat helps us feel full, and it's also important for brain health and hormonal health. So let's get started with my OG vitamin C smoothie. I always like to start with the base just because it's easiest for blending. Today I'm going to use unsweetened almond milk. You can use coconut milk, cashew milk, soy milk, any of them really, as long as they're unsweetened, so you're not having added sugar in your smoothie. So we'll just pour that in. Okay. Next, I will add my fiber. So this is where the vitamin C really comes into play. When people think of vitamin C, they usually think of oranges, but actually there's so many other fruits and vegetables that have a much higher vitamin C content per serving. Mango and pineapple are two of those, so I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of each to my smoothie. Okay. Then I will move on to my greens. My greens are really the powerhouse for this smoothie. They are what keep you feeling healthy all year round. They help detoxify the liver. These are really, really essential for overall good gut health, immune health, cardiovascular health. You can't go wrong with greens. So I'm adding about a cup of spinach and kale. Feel free to add more. You can never skimp on greens. Then I'm gonna add my protein. Today I'm using vanilla collagen. You can use a clean whey, you can use a plant-based protein like pea or hemp, your personal preference. I love collagen because it's a naturally occurring protein in our body. And as we get older, we produce less and less collagen. So it's really important to get it from either a supplement source or powders or from bone broth. Collagen is great for hair, skin, and nail growth, as well as keeping our joints nice and healthy. So I'll just take about a scoop of this. And I love Primal Kitchen, it's a great brand, very clean. Then after that, I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon for some more vitamin C. It also makes it really refreshing, tropical. I love adding this to my smoothies. Just squeeze it on top. Okay. Then next, I'm gonna use some ginger. Ginger is one of those ancient remedies that has incredible healing properties. It's an antiviral, it's an antibacterial, and it gives your smoothies a really nice kick. So this is about a 1/4 teaspoon. I just took it out of my freezer. It's easy to save that way, but fresh also totally works. Then last, I'm going to use some flax seeds for my healthy fats. They're filled with omega-3 fatty acids, which are really, really important, like I said, for our brains and our hormones. So I'm using about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. Okay, now I'm ready to blend. I'm really jealous of anyone who has the Vitamix. It blends these much faster than my NutriBullet, so bear with me. How it turned out. And depending on if you like your smoothies thicker or thinner, that'll just depend on the amount of liquid you use. If you want to add ice to it to make it cooler, you can. Get that beautiful green color. And that's it. Let's taste it. So good, so refreshing. You know it's nourishing your body. And that took me, 5 minutes to make. Enjoy! For our second smoothie today, we are going to be making a recessed PB&J. This one always gives me that nostalgic feeling of eating a PB&J sandwich. It has that sweet and salty combo that everyone loves. And it kind of reminds me of like a childhood classic with a twist. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of almond milk again. Usually I have other types of nut milk on hand, but given how empty some of the supermarkets are, this is what I'm working with today. Now I have my liquid base in. I'm gonna move on to my fiber. For this smoothie, I am using strawberries. I love strawberries because they're super high in vitamin C, and they're also lower in calories than a lot of other fruits, so it allows you to use more than you would with some others. So this one, I'm using 1/2 cup of strawberries. You can do anywhere from 1/2 cup to 1 cup, your preference. This is like the jelly part of the sandwich, if you didn't realize. Next, I'm going to move into what would usually be my greens. Greens are something I like to sneak into every single meal, but I understand not everyone likes their greens, especially drinking their greens. So I have a great alternative, rice cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cruciferous veggie. It's amazing for the digestive system. It really helps regulate things, and it's also great for your immune system. So I'm using about 1/2 cup. It really is such a mild taste. You can't even really taste the cauliflower at all, but it makes your smoothie super, super creamy. Okay. After that, I'll add my protein. I'm gonna use my vanilla collagen again. So collagen really only delivers about 10 grams per serving. I know a lot of other sports performance protein powders have anywhere from 20 to 30 grams. I wouldn't recommend having more than 30 grams in one sitting because our body just can't absorb more than that, so it's just gonna store as fat. So anywhere from 10, 20, 30, that's all you really need. Okay, now I will move on to my seeds. I'm using chia seeds today. I love chia seeds because they double dose as fiber and healthy fat. 2 tablespoons is all you really need, and it also thickens your smoothie when you add them. Okay. And then last but not least, my healthy fat. I'm a huge lover of peanut butter. I could eat it straight out of the jar like this, but I'm not going to. So all you really need is 1 to 2 tablespoons. And I like super creamy, but chunky could also work. And you want to go for a nut butter that's unsalted and unsweetened. So now we're ready to blend. Okay. Looks good. And my smoothie recipes are just 1 serving, but if you wanted to make them for your family, double them, triple them, they all work. It tastes just like PB&J. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. If you guys are interested in my smoothie ebook, please feel free to reach out. You can email me, Danielle at foodmoodgratitude.com. Follow us on Instagram, food_mood gratitude. And thank you guys. I hope you enjoy. See you soon.